this afternoon, and if you can join us right now on our Super Bowl to just take stock of where the shilling is in trading. Well, we've seen the shilling putting up a brave fight despite the election jitters. Today, the shilling is trading at 103.51 buying, selling at 103.71. The sterling pound is at 135.67 buying, selling at 135.96. The euro is also not on a good streak today. It's at 119.99, just shy of a cent to hit 120 shillings buying, selling at 120.24. Let's take a look at the NSE performance, and these are figures as of last evening. We'll be getting more of this, of course, at the end of the trading today. Well, turnover by last evening stood at 542 million. Shares traded was at 15 million. The NSE 20 index edged downwards a bit compared to what we saw on Monday, and it's at 3,797.96 points. But generally, the 20 index has been edging up. Some good news really for people who have invested at the stock market. Bonds traded at 49 million. Let's take a look at some of the most active counters. We have mobile phone provider there, Safaricom, moving close to 5.6 million shares. Kenol Kobil coming in second at 2.20 million. Kenya Commercial Bank at 1.71 million. Equity Bank at 1.63 million. Let's take a look at the winning counters. Here we have them. Olympia Capital, they're up 6.25%. Share price at 3 shillings and 40. Samia Africa also doing well. They're up 3.45% shilling, and the stock is valued at 3 shillings. Centum Investments, they're also doing pretty well. They're up 3.07%. Share price at 42. Jubilee Insurance also doing well, at up by 6.33%. Share price at 487. Well, let's take a look at the losing counters now. Well, Standard Group Limited is today not on the winning streak of sorts. They're down 9.46%. And TransCentury also not doing well. They're down 6.82%. East Africa Portland Cement, they're down 2.04%. Uchumi Supermarkets, closing off the counters for this hour, they're down 4.17%. Well, these figures will continue to definitely change as trading is about to close, depending on how the markets will be responding to various dynamics that continue to shape the country. Well, we want to